It's been 18 days since the balloons first came, 13 days since I've killed one of their kind, and ever since then they've turned on me. I'm going to be honest with you. The war that raged in this room was a gruesome one. I was outnumbered 234 to 1, and I have never seen so much death in my life. Now, every time I hear a balloon squeak, I quiver in fear, and when I hear one pop, shell shock. They had families, children. And I wiped nearly every last goddamn one of them off of this earth, except for one. The last balloon. Their last hope for a victory, and my last obstacle in delivering a crushing defeat. Wind, approximately 0.015 miles blowing east. Distance, I've clocked 4 feet. I have the shot. Damn, I've missed. You. No! Why won't you die? I don't have credits, but we'll make some. I'm not actually going to put them on. That'll take way too long. But I will wrap them around my neck. Oh, he helped with production? I didn't know that. That's how you wear ties. I'll see you guys in a little bit.